Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog and today we're opening a Papergang box. While I usually am quite early with the Papergang boxes, I feel like the Netherlands is one of the first countries they ship it to or something. I was actually quite late this month because sadly I always follow the Papergang on Instagram. Usually they don't really show spoilers or anything, but I always watch their stories, and this time there was a massive spoiler in their stories, which I was actually a little bit sad about because I like it when these boxes are more of a surprise. But in the stories I saw that there is going to be a day planner or something in here, which is not something I will use because I have my bullet journal and I don't really have use for a day planner. I don't really know what it looks like yet, but I think, I'm not making any promises, but I think I might actually give this one away. So stay tuned to see how we go with that. Okay, so this month's theme was, well, basically the preview we got was this picture, and I immediately signed up because I thought it looked a little bit like a galaxy, which I quite like. I also have something else. I think I also saw this in the previous box, but I think they changed the font on the box because it looks a little bit more hand cut right now, which I actually quite like. So without further ado, I always tell you guys I'm going to keep this short and snappy, but this time I actually do want to keep it short because I'm also filming 2 videos today. A PO box opening, yay, very exciting. But I am going to try a new tea, of course. Just going to pick the first one I see. This one I got from one of my subscribers, Chai French Vanilla, which sounds absolutely amazing. Hopefully it's as good as it sounds. So I'm gonna try that one. Oh yes, before I start, we always have the cutout on the back. Cut out and keep luggage tags. Using an empty tag holder for all of your future adventures. Okay, I quite like that, but I didn't expect, looking at these 2 pictures, it looks more like a camping or a hiking theme than a galaxy one. So I'm quite curious to see what is in here now. Pretty. I think I'm gonna use this for like a flip book or something. And we have a little box. Ooh, look, it's all in one piece. Love it. It's always such a present, such a treat to unwrap these things. It's always so exciting. I'm going to keep it upside down so as to not spoil the content for myself. Like I said, I already got a spoiler in the stories, but as you can see, this is probably the day journal. As you can see, the colors are the same as the box, so I didn't get any more spoilers in terms of illustrations. Okay, wow, I do have to say, although I don't really use daily planners, this is so pretty. It has a little ribbon. Oh yes, I forget again. This video is not sponsored in any way. The only thing that happens is I have a referral code in the description box down below. This is not YouTube specific. This is, if you sign up as whatever person you are, you also get a referral code. So I have a normal referral code in the description box down below. If you use that, you really help me out because you can help me get a free box. For every 2 people that sign up, I get 1 free box. I just have to pay for shipping now. So please, if you want to get a subscription, use my code. But okay, like I was saying, this is actually, I'm really sad that it's a daily planner, because if this was a notebook, I would absolutely love it, because look at that cover and the foiling and the sturdiness. Oh my gosh, I really like this, but it's a daily planner, so I have no use for it. On the inside we have, I don't know if you can see this because it's getting quite dark. On the left we have boxes with date, today's objective, to do, and timetable, urgent, not urgent, and notes. And while that is really nice, as a student I would have loved to have this. I have a bullet journal, so I really don't have, it really basically don't need another planner. So as sad as this makes me, I am going to make one of you happy with this. with a hidden giveaway. So if you're watching this and you would be interested in receiving this daily planner, please let me know in a comment down below what's going to be the question of today. Let me know in a comment down below what your favorite adventure is. So the question is, what is your favorite adventure? So leave me a comment telling me your favorite adventure and you might just win this beautiful daily planner. I'm actually sad. But okay, that might even be one of my favorite items in all of the Papergang boxes. Next up is quite a large card. It says happy birthday. Paper jungle. Cool. We have a little caravan. So I do actually think that, like I said, it is more of a camping theme over Galaxy, but I quite like that. I mean, it also matches quite well together. You have like, you go camping, you're out in the dark and you look up and then you see a beautiful sky. Let me try this tea. You guys have spoiled me with so much tea, I don't even know when I'm going to drink it all. I don't make enough videos. Okay, next, okay, I'll save that for last. That's just the booklet that always comes with it. Little bit of story time. Oh, there's a fill in something. A year of new terrain ahead. List some of your own adventures below for the new year. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. I'll read that at the end. And then we have sticker sheets. Yes, please. We have sticker sheets. Let me take that out. 4 sticker sheets. I'm always a little bit sad that there's like 4 of the same sheets of stickers, but then again I'm also kind of happy because when I really like stickers I find it hard to use them. So these are very pretty little adventure sticker sheets. We have a map, a bicycle, a picnic basket, backpack. Yeah, this is quite cute. I don't really know how I could use this, but it would make a very cute gift, especially since they're good quality stickers. So you know what, if you win the daily planner you will also get one of the sticker sheets. Okay, a little hidden giveaway because I really appreciate every single one of you. So what am I doing? Okay, cute little stickers. I'm not too sad about that. And then we have I thought this would be the last item, but there's something else. I also thought that this would be the monthly overview. Like, I said this every video, usually you have like a the January calendar with like Monday, Tuesday, blah blah blah, and then you can fill in the most important dates, which I always use as like a little introduction page for my bullet journal. But now we have a little, I don't know, it's like a little card. It's not really a sturdy card, it's just a paper card that says you make me a happy camper, which is quite cute. Little tent. But I would have preferred, I always really like the calendar ones. That's just me. And then this is probably a patch, and there we go. Oh my god, it says charting unknown territories. It's like a little badge. This is not really my style. This is not really my style either. Okay, am I gonna give this away as well? I'm really doubting. Should I give this away as well? I might. Or should I do 2 giveaways? I can do... That's what I'm gonna do. That's okay, I can do that. I'm going to give this one away, the daily planner with the sticker sheet. I'm also going to give away the badge. What's this called? The patch. Sorry, my English. With a sticker sheet. So I have 2 giveaways. So also, if you tell me your favorite adventure, also tell me daily planner or patch. Yes. So yeah, and now that was actually it in this box. I have to say there's quite good value in here. The journal is really good quality, at least I really like it. And although this patch is not really my style, it would actually be quite nice. It's actually quite nice. And I'm wondering if they're all the same design. I will have to check Instagram, because sometimes they do different designs in different boxes. Okay, let us do the contents. A5 Slim Daily Planner. Recommended retail price. Thank you so much for everyone who told me what RRP stands for. It stands for recommended retail price. Recommended retail price, £12.95. Again, I use euros, I have no clue what that means. Woven patch, £3.95, sticker pack, £3.95, and the greeting card printed in the UK, £2.75, which is quite nice. And then we have a little story about the illustrator of this month. Her name is Kiko Broder. Her name is Kiko Broder. Yeah, so that's it for this Papergang box. I'm now quickly going to continue with the PO box opening, but I'll try the tea first. It's a little bit spicy, which is actually quite nice. You can really taste the ginger, quite like that, and the cardamom. Okay, that's it. Tea is okay. The tea is nice. The Papergang box is quite nice. I am for sure going to make someone of you very, very happy with both the journal and the patch. And I'm really, really curious to see how that goes. Just know that I will be picking a winner before the new year, so I hope to pick a winner before the end of I hope to pick a winner before next week. No. Okay, I'm just going to set a date, okay, because this is not working. I'm going to pick a winner on Thursday the 20th. And then you need to send me an email with your address before the end of Sunday, which will be the end of next week, okay? So don't forget to be here to see that. I'll pick a winner on Thursday. I will try to upload the video on Friday, and you can win this if you like, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed opening it. It's kind of weird because I know I will not be using the items, but still pretty stationery makes me so excited. So I will hopefully make one of you guys happy instead. Don't forget to follow my channel if you want to see more Papergang openings. I also do Pipsticks sticker pack openings. I also do mystery boxes, and of course I make my own snail mail videos. So if you're interested in any of that, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again very, very soon. Okay, bye bye.